Okay, so we're going to do the Mooncoin jig, but we're going to add in ornamentation today. There's going to be a mixture of cuts, maybe some pushes, and some bowed trebles, just to give it a little bit of like zing. Right, so 2, 3,